What if I told you the Bermuda Triangle mystery was just solved by a rock sitting 20 kilometers underwater that nobody knew existed? Yeah, I know, we've heard 1,000 theories about the Bermuda Triangle. Aliens, time portals, underwater cities. But this is different. Scientists just stumbled onto something in 2026 that's making everyone rethink everything we thought we knew about this patch of ocean that swallowed ships and planes for over a century. Let me paint you a picture. The Bermuda Triangle, this roughly 500,000 square miles of Atlantic Ocean between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. For decades, it's been the poster child for unexplained disappearances. Flight 19 in 1945, 5 Navy bombers gone without a trace. The USS Cyclops in 1918, 300 people vanished. Ships found completely abandoned with food still on the table, compasses spinning wildly, radio signals cutting out mid-sentence. And here's what bothered me most about all those explanations we've been fed over the years. Methane gas bubbles. Sure, maybe that explains a few incidents. Rogue waves? Okay, plausible. But none of them explained the sheer consistency of the weirdness. Why this specific area? Why do instruments go haywire here more than anywhere else on Earth? The rational part of me knew there had to be something real going on, something geological, something measurable. But what? The ocean floor had been mapped. We'd sent submersibles down there. What could possibly be hiding in plain sight? Enter 2026. A team doing routine magnetic surveys for underwater mining operations detected something absolutely bonkers. 20 kilometers down in the Puerto Rico Trench, there's this massive rock formation. But this isn't just any rock. This thing is loaded with magnetite crystals so dense, so perfectly aligned, that it's essentially a natural electromagnetic anomaly the size of a small mountain. Think about that for a second. We're talking about a geological structure that's been sitting there for millions of years, pumping out magnetic interference strong enough to mess with navigation systems on the surface. And nobody found it until now because the trench is so stupidly deep and the magnetic signature was written off as normal background noise. But here's where it gets wild. These researchers started comparing historical disappearance data with tidal patterns and the Earth's magnetic field fluctuations. Turns out, during certain lunar cycles and when the Earth's magnetic field dips, which happens naturally, this underwater rock basically becomes a giant electromagnetic pulse generator. Not strong enough to sink a ship by itself, but definitely strong enough to fry electronics, scramble compasses, and send navigation systems into complete chaos. Now imagine you're a pilot in 1945. No GPS, you're relying completely on magnetic compasses and radio navigation. You fly over this area during one of these magnetic surges. Your instruments go crazy, you can't tell which way is up, your radio cuts out, you're disoriented over open ocean with limited fuel. That's not supernatural. That's just really, really bad luck combined with geology nobody understood yet. The same goes for ships. Compasses pointing the wrong direction, electronic navigation failing, radio communications dropping. In bad weather, which this area is known for, that's a death sentence. And because the magnetic interference is intermittent, depending on natural cycles, sometimes ships and planes pass through just fine. Other times, total equipment failure. So what does this mean? It means the Bermuda Triangle isn't cursed. It's not a portal to another dimension. It's just Earth doing earthy things in a way we didn't understand because we weren't looking deep enough or in the right way. And honestly, I find that more fascinating than any alien theory. The idea that nature can create something so powerful, so disruptive, just through random geological processes over millions of years. We've been scared of this patch of ocean for a century, and it turned out to be just a really inconveniently placed magnetic rock the whole time. The mystery isn't gone, it's just evolved. Now we're asking better questions. How many other geological anomalies are out there affecting our world in ways we don't understand yet? What else are we missing? That's the real mystery worth solving. If this blew your mind like it did mine, hit that subscribe button because we're diving into more mysteries that science is finally cracking open. Drop a comment and tell me what unexplained phenomenon you want me to tackle next. And if you think your friends are still out here believing in Bermuda Triangle portals, share this video and let's spread some actual science. I'll catch you in the next one.